Are you feeling weighed down by the troubles of life, struggling to find peace in your heart, facing financial uncertainty, or feeling a distance between you and your loved ones? If any of this resonates with you, know that you are not alone. Tonight, I invite you to join me in a prayer for peace, provision, and restoration in your life. Together, let's seek God's guidance and comfort. Stay with me as we come before Him with hearts full of faith, asking for His presence to heal our struggles and bless us with His peace. Welcome, friends. I'm so glad you've chosen to spend this time with me tonight. Life often brings us challenges that can leave us feeling defeated, confused, and isolated. Sometimes it's the constant battle to find inner peace in a chaotic world. Other times it's the weight of financial burdens or the strain within our families that makes us feel lost. Whatever your struggles may be, I want you to know that God hears you, He sees you, and He is with you in every moment. Tonight we will come together in prayer, asking for God's peace to fill every area of our lives. We will seek His provision for our financial struggles and His healing touch to restore peace and unity in our families. No matter where you are in life, no matter how heavy your burdens feel, know that with God there is always hope and there is always a way forward. Heavenly Father, I come before you tonight, humbled by your love and grace. Thank you for bringing me through this day, for giving me breath, and for being with me in every moment. I am grateful for your presence in my life, even when I may not always recognize it. You are my comfort, my strength, and my source of peace. Lord, tonight I ask for peace. Peace that goes beyond understanding. Peace that fills the spaces in my heart and soul that feel restless and weary. The world is full of noise, of distractions, of struggles that often leave me feeling disconnected from you and from myself. But I know that when I turn to you, when I place my worries in your hands, your peace is there to meet me. Father, I ask that you fill my heart with your peace tonight. As I close my eyes to sleep, I want to let go of the anxiety, fear, and stress that has been clouding my mind. Help me to surrender these worries to you, knowing that you are in control of all things. I trust in your sovereignty, and I trust that you will provide what I need, even in the areas that feel uncertain or out of reach. Take a deep breath, my friend. As you exhale, release the burdens that have been weighing on your heart. Whether it's financial worries, family tensions, or a feeling of restlessness, let go of it now. God is here with you, ready to carry what you can. Father, I also ask for your provision in my life. The pressures of finances can feel overwhelming at times. I don't always know how things will work out, and it's easy to get discouraged. But I know that you are a God who provides. You are Jehovah Jireh, my provider. I ask that you bless the work of my hands, that you open doors of opportunity, and that you guide me in the right steps to take in my financial journey. Lord, please remove any fear or anxiety about money. Help me to trust in your timing and provision, even when things seem uncertain. May I remember that my worth is not determined by my bank account or material possessions, but by my identity in you. You are the one who will sustain me, and I know that you will never leave me or forsake me. Think about your financial struggles, whether it's a lack of resources, unexpected expenses, or the stress of making ends meet. Surrender these worries to God. Trust that He is already working in your finances, providing what you need in ways you may not yet see. Lord, I also bring my family before you tonight. Family is a gift, but it is also a place where struggles can arise. There are times when misunderstandings, disagreements, and pain creep into relationships, and it feels like the love we once shared is distant. But I know that you are the great healer, and you can restore any relationship. Father, I ask for your healing touch in my family. Wherever there is hurt, I pray for your restoration. Where there is division, I pray for reconciliation. Where there is unforgiveness, I pray for hearts to be softened and for your love to take root. Bring peace into the hearts of my loved ones, Lord, and help us to walk in unity, kindness, and understanding. Let your love be the foundation of our relationships, and may we always seek to reflect that love in our actions, words, and hearts. If there are any specific family members or situations that you are struggling with tonight, lift them up to God now. Trust that He hears your prayers and is already at work in their lives. Lord, I pray for peace in my home tonight. Let my home be a place of refuge, a place where your presence is felt, where love and understanding reign. Help me to be a peacemaker in my family, to show grace and patience, and to lead by example in reflecting your love. Let your peace flow through every room, into every relationship, and into every conversation. May we always turn to you for guidance, knowing that you are the one who can heal and restore all things. Think about your home, whether it's filled with harmony or it feels like there's tension. Picture God's peace filling each corner of your space, healing the brokenness and restoring relationships. Let His presence settle over you and your loved ones. Father, as I sleep tonight, I ask that you watch over me and my family. Keep us safe from harm and protect us from anything that could threaten our peace or well-being. I trust in your protection, knowing that you are always with us, always guarding us, always guiding us. As I close my eyes to sleep, I pray that you would give me the rest I need, both physically and spiritually. Restore my soul and prepare me for the day ahead. No matter what tomorrow holds, I know that you will be with me and that you will guide me every step of the way. Lord, I ask that you help me to begin each day with faith, knowing that you will provide for me. When I face challenges, I trust that you will give me the strength to persevere. When I feel overwhelmed, I will turn to you for peace. When I feel uncertain, I will trust in your plan for my life. Thank you for the hope I have in you, for the assurance that tomorrow holds the possibility of a new beginning, a fresh start, and a deeper understanding of your love and purpose for my life. If this prayer has touched your heart, and if you found a moment of peace and hope tonight, I invite you to subscribe to SoulVessel and join this community of believers. Here we seek God's presence together, pray for one another, and trust in His provision and peace. When you subscribe, you'll be part of a family that believes in the power of prayer, the strength of community, and the love of a God who never leaves us. If you feel led, hit the notification bell so you can stay connected and never miss an opportunity to pray, reflect, and grow with us. Take a moment to comment below if you'd like us to pray for you or if you'd like to share your thoughts. We are here for each other, and your journey is important to us. Before you go to sleep tonight, take a deep breath, let go of your worries, and rest in the peace that God is with you. He is already at work in your life, and tomorrow is a new day, filled with hope, promise, and new beginnings. Thank you for joining me in prayer tonight. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.